Hey, this question goes out to any app developers, any augmented reality goggle or glass or monocle creators out there. Are there any out there, any augmented reality glasses or devices that are as good as what Google Glass was almost 10 years ago? We're talking about almost a decade later, and there's still nothing that looks as futuristic without looking like a ridiculous thing on your face or like old school glasses, which, you know, some people like, but it just doesn't. There was something about Google Glass that was so simplistic, the monocle being just very easy to use, being able to take a picture like that, having the bone augmentation speaker, it was actually usable. Now, unfortunately, Google has pretty much, at least officially, canceled the project. The updates disable its functionality almost completely. I don't have one anymore, but I had one almost 10 years ago, and it was very cool then. It wasn't compatible with my phone then, so I sold it. But now you can find them on eBay for several $100s. But if they're updated to the latest release, they may not be usable other than making calls, which is what Bluetooth headsets or earbuds do. And anyway, if anybody out there knows of something that is as cool as what Google Glass was, and I'm not talking like an Oculus or something like that, I mean basically a thin, slim, monocle style. There's one floating around on the internet that looks kind of like a golf club that comes over here, but I mean, I haven't seen it in action. And most of the review videos or release videos, they're just kind of teaser trailers that show like the inside workings expanding in 3D and water flowing through it and all that. But no, I'm talking about an actual functional, you know what I'm talking about. If you find that or you know what it is, put it in the comments because I want to see it. Thanks.